I love using leveling clips with porcelain tile because they really speed up the installation process. I've been wanting to use them with marble and other soft stone, but was afraid they would scuff or scratch the stone. Whether it's a twist or wedge spacer, the tightening motion can grind into the sensitive stone. Lucky for me, I met Chris King from Troxell USA, and he showed me this. It's called an anti-motion plate because it keeps the joints from spreading, but it also provides a layer of protection so that you won't scuff stone when tightening. I tried them out in this project and they worked perfectly. I was able to level the marble tiles with absolutely no scuffs or scratches. This was truly an answered prayer for me, so I wanted to make this quick video to share the wealth with you. You can watch this video to see the other benefits of these spacers, and there's a link to their website in the description if you want more info on the anti-motion plates. Thanks so much for watching and supporting How to Tile Like a Pro.